Hello and welcome to Guatemala. Guatemala is one of the best birding places in the world. And I'm not the only one who says that. Okay, there's several books that show it. This book by Brian Bland, The Prophet of Birding, has one whole chapter about birding in Guatemala. There's another book that talks about the best 50 places to go birding in the world. There's a chapter on Guatemala. So why come to Guatemala to bird? Guatemala is a very small country. It's only about the size of Ohio or the size of Ireland. It's not a large country. However, in this small tropical country, south of Mexico, we have about 750 species of birds.
Guatemala ile balshul ni ke rupupik. Honalek rekwaklik chihunelik uthonalek reshkolpal uchkulankil chishhunil likwang sale kasutam sale katenamit.
What's interesting about Guatemala and this region is that here you will find around 35 species that are regional endemics. That means that you can only find them here in the region of southern Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, and Belize. And in Guatemala, this is where you will find around 14, 15 species. Species of birds you will only find here and not in other places like central Mexico, northern Mexico, or even Costa Rica or Panama, because they're not in those distributions.
En Guatemala, al ser capaces de preservar el ecosistema de aves, brindaremos mayor atención al cuidado de las reservas, santuarios ecológicos y arqueológicos mayas.
So come to Guatemala to see these wonderful birds. Discover them, enjoy them. We have the highest regional endemism rate in Central America. We invite you to the Guatemala Bird Fair Petén 2019, and it's going to be fantastic. This fair contributes to birding and enjoying birds, but also it contributes to conservation. And conservation is extremely important because we're conserving the woods, the forests for our birds and also for migratory birds. Okay, we play a very important role in conservation through this event and other events. Welcome to our Guatemala Bird Fair 2019 in Petén.